just a little too long, knowing something wasn't right all along. I can see the hurt behind your eyes, and I don't wanna hide behind my pride. Love grows stronger when we're true. So today I choose you. I'm sorry for the hurt I've caused, for the moments that I've overlooked. I won't hide behind excuses anymore. You deserve so much more. I'll own my part, I'll make things right. Meet your heart with honest light. Love begins when truth can stay, so I offer a genuine apology today. It's not about who's wrong or right. It's about bringing love back into sight. Every step begins with one sincere word and a heart that's willing to be heard. Love grows stronger when we're true. So today I choose you. I'm sorry for the hurt I've caused, for the moments that I've overlooked. I won't hide behind excuses anymore. You deserve so much more. I'll own my part, I'll make things right. Meet your heart with honest light. Love begins when truth can stay, so I offer a genuine apology today. Love can heal when hearts are